Have you ever felt like no matter how much effort you put into relationships, work, or life, you are still taken for granted, overlooked, or undervalued, as if you're always available yet rarely appreciated? In today's noisy world of constant messages, likes, and digital validation, it's easy to believe that your value depends on how much attention you receive from others. But Stoic philosophy offers a radically different and powerful truth. The more you seek validation, the less valuable you appear, and the moment you stop chasing approval, your presence begins to matter. Stoicism teaches that your worth does not come from how others treat you, but from how you see, respect, and govern yourself, because when you are anchored internally, you stop drifting emotionally with every external reaction. True value begins when you master what is within your control: your thoughts, your reactions, your time, and your standards, and release what is not, including other people's opinions, moods, and priorities. When you live this way, something subtle but profound happens. You no longer over-explain, over-give, or over-attach. Instead, you become calm, grounded, and intentional, and people naturally feel your strength. Being valued is not about manipulation or playing games. It is about authenticity, boundaries, and inner stability. When you stop trying to prove your worth and simply embody it through discipline, patience, and self-respect, your presence carries weight. Stoicism reminds us that desperation repels while composure attracts, and that constantly being available teaches people to undervalue your time. By managing your availability with dignity, you communicate that your life, energy, and focus are precious. This doesn't mean becoming cold or distant. It means being selective, purposeful, and present when you choose to engage. Patience also plays a crucial role here, because a calm mind signals confidence and emotional maturity. People trust, respect, and value those who do not react impulsively, who do not beg for attention, and who remain steady under pressure. Another powerful Stoic lesson is self-prioritization, which many misunderstand as selfishness. But in reality, it is self-respect. When you say no without guilt, protect your time, and honor your own needs, you teach others how to treat you. You cannot expect respect from the world if you consistently abandon yourself to please others. Time, according to Stoicism, is your most valuable resource, and how you spend it defines your worth. When you invest your time in growth, reflection, meaningful work, and healthy relationships, your life gains substance, and substance commands respect. Ultimately, being valued is not about becoming important in the eyes of everyone, but about becoming unshakable within yourself. When you are no longer controlled by fear of rejection, neediness, or comparison, you become free, and that freedom is magnetic. The Stoic path teaches us that mastery of self is the highest form of power, and those who master themselves no longer need to ask for value. They radiate it. So stop chasing validation, stop explaining your worth, and start living with clarity, discipline, and inner strength, because the world does not value those who beg to be seen, but it always notices those who stand firm in who they are.